So in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10Max. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Boots UK. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap save and it's done. Let's go back and now let's select gift card, which is similar to loyalty card, because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.